first data landmark that we're going to talk about today is the maximum. And you might be wondering, why on earth is he standing on that table? Well, it's to remind you that the maximum is the highest number in your data set.
The maximum is the largest number in the data set. So here in our example, we can see 7 is the largest number, so 7 would be the maximum.
Our next landmark is the minimum, which is the smallest number in the data set. And that's why I'm laying on the floor, because I'm at the smallest spot in the room.
Minimum is the smallest number in the set of data. And here in the same set of numbers, we can see that 1 would be the minimum.
For our next data landmark, the range, we use two different landmarks to find this answer. It is the difference between the maximum and the minimum.
The range is the difference between the max and the min. So the way we would find that would to be take our max and our minimum and subtract them to find the range.
The mode is the most often occurring number in a data set. I guess that'll help you remember.
Mode is the most often occurring number in the set of data. So here in our example, 4 appears twice, so 4 would be the mode. However, if you have a set of data, we'll take this example, you can see that we have the number 1 appear twice, and we also have the number 3 appear twice. In that case, the mode would be 1 and 3 because they both appear the same amount of times more than once. If you had another set of data where you had the 2, we can see, appears 3 times, and the 4 appears twice. The mode is the number 2. It's not the numbers that appear more than once, it's the numbers that appear the most often, but if, in this case, if it's a tie, they both are the mode. We have a set of data where not one number ever appears more than once. Your mode is no mode. And again, that is when there are no repeating numbers.
This is Mr. Armin reporting live from the middle of this room to remind you of our next data landmark. We are studying about median, and I am standing on the median in the middle of this road to remind you that the median is in the middle of our data set. So next time you get stuck in the word, just think of Mr. Armin standing in the middle of the road. Okay, so I am going to help Luke find the median of our group of students. We're looking at their heights. So, Luke, the median is the middle, right? Just like the middle of the road. So Kate is the median of the group because she's standing in the middle of the group. Is that correct? She has the median height.
No,
Why not?
because we haven't set them in order.
Show me what I'm supposed to do.
So you go right there. You go right there. You're taller.
So are they in height order now?
Yep.
From smallest to largest?
Yes.
Okay. So, how do we find the median from this point?
We chop it. They do like that.
Okay, so Nikhil and Kate would kneel down. Then?
And Ashley and Kyle kneel down. And then Quinn and Rebecca kneel down.
So I was right. Kate's the median.
Yeah.
You're wrong, Kate. Wrong, Kate.
Median is the middle number in a set of data. When you are finding the median, you want to make sure that you always are arranging the numbers in order. So I'm going to rewrite my list with the numbers in order. Just to make sure I have all of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. And now I can start crossing out into the middle. And I have 4 as my median. Now, in our special notes, if you have a set of data, and I'll put them in order to make it easier for myself, where there's an even total number, so for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm going to have 2 numbers left in the middle. In this case, you find the middle of these 2 numbers, and I know that 4.5 would be the middle of 4 and 5, and that would be my median.
I know the mean is the average of the numbers, but man, is it mean of Mr. Armin to not let me use my calculator when I'm trying to find the answer.
The mean is also known as the average, and it is the sum of all the set of data divided by the amount of data entries. So here, we add all of our data numbers. We get 26, and we divide by 7 because there are 7 pieces of data. That gives us an average or a mean of 3.7. Just a special note, to avoid calculation errors or to find when you have calculation errors, the mean must be larger than the min, and the mean should be smaller than the max. If you get something outside of that, there was a calculation error.